Hey Nathan, so let's see, this looks pretty good so far. There's some more work to be done on problems 450 to 452 especially. Let's see, your make a bid looks good. The only thing with that one is so this is exactly what you were supposed to do. The idea behind doing this is that now you no longer need this local variable, so you can just cut that right out, and this will be fine. Your close method works great. Where is it? Your get unsold. Yeah, close works great. Get unsold works great. There's some problems with the get lot and remove lot. I'll go over those. Actually, I think I'll start with remove lot. So, which one? That was 452. So it says add a remove lot method to the auction class having the following header, and the return type is lot. It says this method should not assume that a lot with a given number is stored at any particular location within the collection. So you want to make sure that you're returning a lot whose lot number matches this number. Okay. Well, we need a return value here. We need the lot. Okay. So let's stick that in here. So what you have right now is void. This needs to be lot. Okay. And you want to do something like returning the selected lot or something. For now, I'll say return selected lot. This isn't exactly right because here we're assuming that lot number -1 is a lot you want, and in the problem it says you shouldn't assume that, right? So how do you get the number from the lot? Well, the lot number is, let me just make sure this compiles.
That's how you do it.
Okay, so the lot number is actually stored in the lot object itself. Okay, so every lot has a lot number, and there is a public method called getNumber that returns the lot's actual number. All right, so that's what we want to use in here. So, like I said, this isn't exactly right, and so there's stuff that needs to be done. What I would suggest is actually make sure getLot is doing what you want it to do, and then you can take advantage of that and use getLot in your remove lot method.
Yeah.
Okay. So for getLot,
remember, you want to value your work, but
let's back up now. So for getLot, we want to rewrite getLot so it does not rely on a lot with a particular number being stored at index number -1. For instance, if lot number 2 has been removed, then lot number 3 will have moved from index 2 to index 1, and all higher lot numbers also have been moved by 1 position. You may assume that lots are always stored in increasing order according to their lot numbers. Okay, so so getLot should still work after, if lot number 2 has been pulled, then it should come up null, that there isn't any lot number 2, rather than grabbing lot number 3. Okay, so let's look at that for a second. So what I'll do is I'm going to send you a test class that you can use to make sure you got this. So I'm going to do create test class, and the one I'm going to send you can open up with any text editor. Okay, so let me just select all of this and do a copy, and can I just select off. If you do like Control A on a PC or Command A on a Mac, you can select everything and just get rid of it, or just paste over it, however you want to do that, and get all these tests in here. Actually, even this get lot test isn't that great, but all these tests should work, including the remove lot. So actually, before you try the test, make sure that you have set up remove lot so that it actually returns a lot object. Otherwise, that's going to be a problem. So otherwise, it won't compile. So I'll just run test all. You can see. So right now the remove lot test fails. You get an index out of bounds. So what that's doing is test remove lot. It's adding a bunch of lots, and then it's right. Oh yeah. So in the setup, I guess in the setup, we add a bunch of lots, okay, and then remove lot removes a bunch of them, and tests to make sure that what you removed is, what you should have removed. All right. So yeah, so 100 shouldn't have removed anything, but these guys, even if you did the remove lots out of order, that should have worked. Okay. Even though like you're pulling out lot 2 right away, and that bumps everything up, that should still work. Okay. So so basically, what you want to think about doing then is in your get lot, you're going to want to loop through and see this test right here. If selected, get number is not equal to lot number. You want to test each. You want to loop through each of the lots and check to see which one has a number that's equal to the lot number, and that's the one that you want to get. Okay, so we're no longer relying on this lot number -1. And then once you have that get lot doing what it's supposed to do, then you can use it here in remove lot. Okay, but like I said, you want to test and make sure that you're pulling the that you're looping through the lots in order to pull out a lot. All right. So if you have any questions on that, I'll send you the test thing. You might want to tweak the get lot test to make sure that it's testing what it's supposed to, because really right now it just kind of this will actually work, which it shouldn't. But the problem is you really need to have remove lot doing what it's supposed to do to have a good test of get lot. Try to do like I said, do the looping through, comparing each lot's number to the input number, and then use that get lot to do the remove lot. All right. And if you have any more questions on that, go ahead and ask me. Okay. But this needs to be, both of these need to be working in order for you to get a passing grade for this. Okay. So, yeah. So I'm not going to record any grade for you until I get fixes for these guys. Okay. So if you have any other questions, go ahead and shoot me another email.